Children, in last video we had learned spellings of vegetables. Now today we will learn something new in vegetables. Kids, there are some vegetables that grow under the ground. Means कई vegetables ऐसे होते हैं कि जमीन के अंदर grow होते हैं.
Kids, there are some vegetables that have to be cooked. Cooked का मतलब जो मम्मी खाना बनाते हो, जो vegetables cook करके खाना पड़ता है.
And you know kids, some vegetables we can eat raw. मतलब में हम उसे कच्चा कच्चा बिना पकाए भी खा सकते हैं. And we can eat as a salad also. So let's learn more about it.
So let's learn something more about vegetables.
So kids, can you tell me which plant is this? Yes, tomato plant. This is brinjal plant. Yes, this is green peas plant. And this is lady's finger plant. So we can see these vegetables on a plant.
Some vegetables grow over the ground. ये सारे जो vegetables होते हैं वो जमीन के ऊपर grow करते हैं. So we can see that plants, that vegetables.
But have you ever seen potato on a plant? Or carrots? Or onions? Or radish? No.
Do you know why? Because these vegetables grow under the ground. ये सारे जो vegetables होते हैं वो जमीन के नीचे grow होते हैं. So we cannot see these vegetables.
They are also called as root vegetables. Now let's see which are the vegetables that grow under the ground. First is potato. See, these are the potatoes that grow under the ground. Then, what is this? Yes, onion. It also grow under the ground. See, these are onions with roots. Then next is, which vegetable? Carrot. Yes, carrot also grow under the ground. See, this is a carrot with its roots. And can you see here? This man is plucking carrot from the ground. Beetroot. Yes, beetroot also grow under the ground. Okay. Next is white vegetable, that is radish. It also grow under the ground. See, this is a radish with its roots. Okay. And do you know the leaves of all these vegetables grow above the ground? Okay. Now, some vegetables can be eaten raw.
That means कुछ vegetables होते हैं जिसे हम raw यानी कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. Which are they?
They are tomato, cucumber, carrot, onion, beetroot, radish and cabbage. These vegetables we can eat raw as well.
मतलब ये vegetables हम अगर कच्चा भी खाए तो हमारे body में easily digest हो जाते हैं.
Do you know how you eat these vegetables? In the form of, yes, salad. Yes, green salad. Now, some vegetables have to be cooked before eating.
मतलब कुछ vegetables ऐसे होते हैं जिसे हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते, जिसे कुक करना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर हम ये vegetables कच्चा यानी कि raw खाएंगे तो हमें डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है
और हमारे पेट में दर्द भी हो सकता है.
Now let's see which are the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. They are, yes, potato, brinjal, lady's finger, green peas, cauliflower and green beans. These are the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. They cannot be eaten raw. Okay kids? See, your mummy prepares nice sabzis from these vegetables. Yes kids? You must be eating all these vegetables in the form of sabzis or any other forms. So eat vegetables and stay healthy.
Kids, now we will do one nice fun activity. See, here are some vegetables, right? Look here children, vegetables that grow under the ground. मतलब में कौन कौन सी vegetables जमीन के अंदर होती है? Now let's see. This is potato. Then what comes? Onion. Under the ground होता है, right? Then one more. Which vegetable is this? Radish. Now let's see who is coming. Yes children, this is carrot. Then कौन कौन सी vegetable होती है? beetroot also, right? Under the ground. So all these vegetables grow under the ground. जमीन के अंदर उगती है. Okay? Next is vegetables that can be eaten raw. Raw मतलब जो हम कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. वो कौन कौन सी vegetables है? Let's see. Tomato, yes, we can eat raw. कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं as a salad. Onion खा सकते हैं? Yes. We will stick it here. Now this is cucumber. Yes, cucumber also we can eat. कच्चा कच्चा खा सकते हैं. Now look here children, which vegetable is this? Yes, this is brinjal. Can we eat raw? No, we can't eat, so we cannot stick it here. Now next is carrot. Yes, we can eat as raw. And the last one is green cabbage. We will stick it here. See children, raw जो vegetables होते हैं वो हम as a salad भी खा सकते हैं. Now next is vegetables that have to be cooked. मतलब जो हम खाना पका के खाते हैं, right? That are brinjal. It can be cooked. Then potato. Potato हम boil करके भी खा सकते हैं, उसकी सब्जी भी बनती है. Then your favorite green peas. Then next is cauliflower. And which vegetable is this children? Yes, lady's finger. So all these vegetables have to be cooked before eating.
Kids, take out your EVS book and in this book open page 2626 and on this page our new topic is vegetables. We get vegetables from plants. हमें vegetables कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Plants से मिलते हैं. We cook vegetables. Some vegetables can be eaten raw. बच्चों, वैसे तो हम वेजिटेबल्स कुक करके खाते हैं, पर कोई कोई वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हम एज अ सैलेड भी खाते हैं, जैसे रेडिश, कैरेट. ओके. सम वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो ओवर द ग्राउंड. कोई कोई वेजिटेबल्स ग्राउंड के ऊपर यानी जमीन के ऊपर प्लांट पे ग्रो होते हैं. सम वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो अंडर द ग्राउंड. और कई वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं. नाउ दिस ऑल आर आर वेजिटेबल्स. लेट्स रीड. कॉलीफ्लावर, green peas, brinjal, tomato, capsicum, lady's finger, carrot, radish, cabbage. These all are vegetables. Now on next page, that is page number 2727. On this page we have play way exercises. Now number 2, circle the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो वेजिटेबल्स हम लोग कुक करके खाते हैं उन्हें हमें सर्कल करना है. सो हियर वी हैव ब्रिंजल. सो ब्रिंजल हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. कैन वी ईटन रॉ? नो. यस, इट हैव टू बी कुक्ड. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन इट. Same way you have to complete the whole exercise. Now on next page, page number 2828. Here we also have some exercises. Our first exercise is find and circle the vegetables in the picture. See children, here one picture is given and in this picture so many vegetables and fruits are given, right? Now we have to find the vegetables and circle on it. So what is this? Vegetable or fruit? Yes, it's vegetable. And which vegetable is this? Carrot. So we have to circle on it. Same way you will do on your own. Now second is draw 5 vegetables in the dish which we use to prepare salad and name them. So what you have to do here? ये जो डिश है ना, यहाँ पे हमें 5 वेजिटेबल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं जो हम सैलेड में खा सकते हैं और फिर उसी वेजिटेबल की स्पेलिंग हमें यहाँ पे लिखनी है. ओके किड्स, सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ टोमेटो. This is tomato, and here I am going to write spelling of tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Kids, rest of the vegetables you will do on your own. Now here third exercise is fill in the blanks. Our first blank is dash is the king of vegetables. King of vegetable कौन सा है? Brinjal. So we will write here brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Now second blank is dash grows under the ground. मतलब कि जो वेजिटेबल जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होता है. So potato, onion, radish, carrot, ये सब वेजिटेबल्स जमीन के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं. तो you can write any spelling here. Now third is dash can be eaten raw. So which vegetables can be eaten raw, kids? Tomato, carrot, radish, cabbage. So you can write any spelling. Number 4, dash looks like green pearls. कौन सा वेजिटेबल ग्रीन पर्ल्स की तरह लगता है? Yes, green peas. So we will write here green peas. Fifth blank is dash is juicy red vegetable. Juicy red vegetable कौन सा है? Tomato. So we will write here tomato. So kids, this whole exercise you will do on your own.
In your EVS book, first you have to write the heading vegetables. Now, in the first line we will write vegetables that grow under the ground. First you have to write the heading vegetables leave one finger space and then write that, again leave one finger space, grow, leave some space under. The next line we will write the, again leave some space, ground. Now we will draw few pictures that grow under the ground. Which are they? Potato. First we will draw here potato, oval shape and some dots inside. And here we will write spelling of potato. What is spelling of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Now next is carrot. You already know to draw. Now inside we make some sleeping lines and some roots. Now next we will write the spelling of carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Now we will draw picture of a radish and leaves. Again draw small sleeping lines and roots. This is picture of radish. And what is spelling of radish? R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. And next is onion. Inside make some curves. And what is spelling of onion? O-N-I-O-N, onion. Now on the next page we will draw pictures of vegetables that can be eaten raw. First you have to write the heading vegetables leave some space, that, again leave some space, can be eaten raw. कौन कौन सा वेजिटेबल्स कच्चा खा सकते हैं? Which are they? Carrot. So first we will draw carrot. Write the spelling of carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Next is tomato. Make a circle and now the spelling of tomato is T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Now is cabbage. Make a circle, down make line. Now make some curves. This is picture of cabbage. And what is the spelling of cabbage? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Now next we will draw onion. Make a circle. And spelling of onion is O-N-I-O-N, onion. Now on the next page, we will draw vegetables that have to be cooked. आपको पता है कौन कौन से vegetables cook करके खाते हैं? Yes, brinjal, potato, right? So first we will write the heading. Vegetables leave some space that, again leave some space, have to be cooked. Now which are the vegetables that can be cooked? Now the first picture is brinjal. How to draw brinjal? Curve. This also you know how to draw, right? And what is spelling of brinjal? B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Next is potato. पोटैटो हम बॉईल करके खा सकते हैं, कुक करके खा सकते हैं, राइट? व्हाट इज स्पेलिंग ऑफ पोटैटो? P-O-T-A-T-O. पोटैटो. नेक्स्ट इज लेडीज फिंगर. आपको पसंद है ना लेडीज फिंगर? And we will draw green peas. How to draw green peas? What is the spelling of green peas? G-R-E-E-N. Green, leave some space and write spelling of peas. This is green peas. In this way, you have to complete all these pictures in your EVS notebook. Bye.